Hello, internet world. Want to hop on and talk to you about pictures and how it applies to your cleaning business. So as professional cleaners, our job is to make a client's home happy, healthy, disinfected, beautiful, functional. An office space, the same thing, get those germs out so people don't call out sick a lot. It's to make a facility or building a place good, happy, healthy, and all that. So with that, not only is it a very physically demanding job, but it's a very visual job. And what I mean by visual is not just being able to see it, but seeing the befores and the afters and seeing how it's changed. Because sometimes you may be cleaning a home and the client won't get home or won't be home for days, and you want to be able to show them what you did. So first, and the most important thing with taking pictures for your cleaning business that you can either post on Facebook or Instagram or your personal page or a pamphlet or whatever, permission. You need to get permission from your client that you can post pictures of their home. Why is that important? I think it's obvious. You need to respect their boundaries. You need to respect their home as if it was your home. I wouldn't want a plumber coming in my home and taking pictures of my house without my approval. What's he gonna do in my home? I don't, So you need to get permission. And what I mean by permission is not just verbally, get it in writing. Get it either in a text or an email after you've taken a before and after. Show them, hey, can I post this? Get it in your terms and conditions. First and foremost, get it in your terms and conditions. I have it where it says before and after pictures will be taken and only posted with client's approval, so that they know straight up front, I'm going to take pictures. Not everything, but just what I think before and after, some before and after pictures would look good. And I'm going to post them only if you tell me I can. And I'll show you what they are. And if you say, no, I don't want you posting them, then that's it. They're done, deleted, gone. If you're okay with it, then if I want to post it, then I'll post that picture. I don't include people's names or addresses or like, oh, today I cleaned the Joneses' homes. Unless they want me to do that, but I don't. You have to respect your client's privacy, their space, their home. So when you're taking pictures, also keep in mind what you're taking. For example, there's pictures of my family behind me, right? I'm okay with that. They're okay with that. But if somebody's cleaning my home and I don't want them putting pictures up of my family on their page, I'm going to tell them. And they need to respect that. So when you take pictures of someone's home, just keep in mind what's in the background. Okay? You don't want to take pictures of somebody's kids in the background. I graduated from this school. My kid goes to this school. Somebody's medication, money, bills. Get that personal stuff out of the way. If you're taking a picture of a dresser because you repolished it or resanded it or whatever it was, and there's pictures on it, maybe just move the pictures out the way and just keep like a nice vase. If they're okay with it, that's one thing. Get it in writing. But if they're not, or just kind of keep in mind already, respect personal items and get them out of the way. Obviously, a sink is a sink, a toothbrush is a toothbrush, kind of generic things like that, shampoo bottles. I mean, if you want to move them out the way, that's fine. But those are very generic. Anybody can buy a toothbrush or a shampoo bottle. But a graduation diploma is a lot different. So, permission. Know what pictures you're taking and realize that this is somebody's home and you need to respect their boundaries. Second of all, lighting. Lighting is super important with pictures. I love natural lighting. I want the lights on and the blinds up and the curtains open when I'm cleaning because I want to be able to see every nook and cranny. I find that I clean better when I can see better, obviously. But even if it's daytime, I just like to have the lights on just to see. Now, that when I take a picture, I have to keep that in mind. So if I take the before picture with the lights on and the curtains open, and I take the before picture, and then I'm so wrapped up in cleaning, I forget to take the after. Always remember to take the after. Always, always, always. Keep your phone in your apron or your pocket. Then I go back to take the after, and I just forget to turn the lights on because I already closed the curtains, and I'm going to take a quick shot. It's not going to look the same. The lighting's different. Keep the lighting the same. Third, if you're cleaning a faucet, and there's all this grime behind it that you really want to tackle, you take a side picture of the grime behind it, you clean it all up, and get it nice and shiny. Then you stand straight and you take a straight picture. It's not the same. Get the same angle. If you got a picture from the back, get the picture again from the back. If you got it from the front, get it from the front. Try to keep the same angle. Visually, it looks fantastic. Example. I'm obsessed with HGTV. I can watch Love It or List It, Property Brothers, House Hunters, all those shows. All of them. Magnolia. What are they? Chip and Gaines. Oh, I love those too. So anyway, I can watch HGTV all day. When I see them working on a house, building, painting, cleaning up a house, and they do the before and after, it's beautiful. And since it's video, it just flows. It's like, here's the before, and then here's the after. Same angle. You know what I mean? So when they get a corner shot of a room, they get the other corner shot of the room. So when it transitions from one image to the other, and you see the before and after, first it was green, now it's blue, it like magically flows because it's the same angle, same lighting. All the stuff inside may be different because they just redid it, but visually it's like, oh my goodness, look what they did to that room. As opposed to, you get a corner shot of a room and then the after is from a different angle. And then you kind of have to remember what angle you're looking at. It's not as easy visually. So I love to do that with my before and after. If I'm taking a shot of this picture of this angle of an oven, I'm going to take the same angle of the oven. So then when I put it side by side on my Pic Collage app, you look at it and you're like, oh, look at that, left to right. That's something I like to do. Left to right. We read left to right. Majority of the people in the world read left to right. I like to post left to right. Before on the left, right on the after. After on the right. Left to right. Or top to bottom. Before is the top, bottom is the after, top to bottom. Because again, you read from top to bottom, you read from left to right. At least I do. So that's how I like to do the pictures when it comes to the app, how I like to put them on there. So angle, make sure you get the same angle, same lighting, and boom. Then third, when I do the pictures on the app, what I like to do too is I have a logo. It's Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. So my logo is an earth, which I designed with the graphic artist years ago. It's a picture of an earth with cleaning bottles and I think a mop or something. So cleaning bottles. So it's white, blue, and some black and white. And then with Pic Collage, I like to crop it into a circle and put it right in the middle of the before and afters. So if I have a before and I have an after, or like this too, horizontal or a vertical or horizontal. No, horizontal or vertical. There you go. I put the logo right in the middle of it. I like to do that. I find it appealing. It's catchy. I don't have to search through the picture for who made it. I don't have to worry about somebody trying to crop it out and steal my image. That's what I like to do. And then when I put it on my Facebook page or Instagram, if somebody wants to share it, like, oh, wow, that looked really good. Check out what this person did. And they share it. Now, all their hundreds and thousands of friends are looking at it. And if I don't have my logo there and they don't see that it came from my Facebook page, which is really tiny, you can't really see it when you share it, I'm not getting any advertising. And I want to get advertising because that's the reason why I did it in the first place. So get your logo on your pictures, especially the before and after. If you take a general picture of like a living room, get it on there too, maybe on the bottom or on the top or somewhere. Keep in mind too, personal possessions and things that you don't want. Stop trying to eat paper. It's my cat. Keep in mind personal possessions that you don't want in the picture if it's like a broad living room or a broad bedroom. So yeah, so get your logo on the pictures. And I think those are my top points. Lighting. Staging, like how you take the picture, you want to be in the same area, in the same angle, and logo, and always get permission. Always get permission. So I think those are my top 4, 5. How many tips were those? A lot. I don't remember. But yeah, so that's what I like to do when it comes to photography with your cleaning business. And yeah, so if you have any questions or comments or concerns or any other, you want to chime in as well, you have other tips that you like to do for pictures, drop me a line and like and subscribe and follow my channel for more videos. And I hope everybody has a beautiful day. Peace out.